What's going on, everyone, and welcome to another video with your boy here, G20 Storm. Got my M340i right behind me. I just wanted to give you guys a little quick update. I haven't made any videos recently, and the reason behind it was something actually happened, and I wanted to give you guys some detailed information if stuff like this happens to you, and kind of walk you along through the process and what I'm currently going through right now. But I'm going to bring you over to this door real quick, and look at that right here. You see that? Brand new car, guys. Come on, bro. Really? Oh, it's dented. The paint's lifted, everything, guys. It's terrible. So anyways, we first thought that maybe, a door hit it, but that happened all the way up here. And then we thought that maybe somebody keyed the car, which sounds kind of weird. I mean, who would decide to key the car at outside an academy for no apparent reason? But then when I took it to the body shop, they told me something that is the most probable cause. He thinks that maybe a rock flew and kind of hit right here, because it's kind of dented, went down, and then just kind of bounced out the way, which could have happened. I mean, the car gets hit a lot. You guys can see right there, that's a little rock chip right there. They said that they might be able to fix that for me as well. So I'm going to be going to this body shop here in Dallas, Texas. It is called Solo Garage, and that's where I'm taking it. They used to work, they still work. They work with a lot of BMWs, and so they have a lot of background knowledge on the BMWs, the paints and everything. And so he walked me around his shop. They had a lot of Beamers in there, and they were fixing them, repairing them. They also work with a race team here in Dallas that works with BMWs. And so I'm going to have this video. I'm not going to post it up yet, because I'm actually going to be putting this into pieces, as I'm also going to keep you guys updated on what happens. So this whole panel right here is going to get repainted, and then so is this back door. Apparently that's what they need to do to be able to blend the colors, which kind of sucks because it's a brand new car, and I just hope that the paint will match up very nicely and all that. But that's the car, guys. I know y'all miss it. I miss it. And my God, it looks so good. So my car will be out of service for 2 to 3 weeks, give or take. Look at the back, look at the back, look at the back, with the black and white carbon fibers and the black M340 decals, carbon fiber spoiler. My car will be out of service for about 2 to 3 weeks, maybe even longer. I'll be in a rental, and I'll keep you guys updated on anything else that happens. For now, I was thinking of piecing this together. I might just upload this video to keep you guys updated. But if there's anything that you guys want to see on the BMW before I have to put that car in for the shop, let me know so I can make some videos for you guys. And as always, make sure to click that like button. It really helps me out, especially right now, because the deductible and the insurance rates are gonna kill me. So get that like button, click that subscribe button for more videos of the M340i. They also told me that they put it at that shop that they can work with my exhaust system and my catted downpipe and my lowering springs. So I might be doing that soon. Probably thinking of ordering a colder intake, or I might be ordering a catted downpipe, one of the two, or maybe the full exhaust. I don't know which one comes first, I guess. And once I get that, I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on all the process. For now, make sure to click that subscribe button, click the like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.